Here's what's going on. Again, the documents area. This is the project that we've been working on. Assets. Music. As I told you, they always give you this one as a template that you can use. We're just going to click open because I already have this configured to do that. Okay, so this is the template song that they give you. Here's all the sound stuff they give that you can use. Memorizing the keys is something I haven't done yet. And, yeah. Where's my settings? So I can show you how I have this set up. I think is where it's at. Yeah, options. Okay, so I got it on Protracker 2X here with that set up. This is pretty much how I have it. Okay, exit. That's configures. Okay, here's all the configures. This is pretty much how I have it set up. Layout. Font tiny. Oh, I didn't know I could change the font like that. You learn something every day, people. Yeah, so, okay. I showed you basically all the settings that I have. Now, there's a trick. You go over to, use your keyboard in here to select the thing, and then you can hit delete or backspace. I think it is. Delete. Yeah. Just hold delete going down pretty much. You want to clear all this information out. Anyways, there's other videos that will teach you how to configure this so that you can basically have a blank template. So you'll have all your instruments. I've already done that in a different one. So I'm just going to open that. Master file, because that's where I store everything. Okay, so you're going to save it as a different format, and this is going to be your real template. Open with. Choose an app. Milky Tracker, please. And as you see, this one is blank. Completely blank. So, up here we choose our wave pattern, I guess is the way to describe it, because you got, well, you can actually hear it. Anyway, yeah. Now when you hit the record, I think is, yeah. Now, C commands, like this, actually set the volume. Or, so you can quickly turn the volume up on a note and down on a note, and like that. I think I'm going to use a C5 or 4. Oops. I did it again. Okay. C4. Okay, 5, 4. C 5. What? I guess it only goes as high as C4. Yeah. You can make the note really quick by shutting it up right away. Now, I think it's B that lets you go straight back to the top. So, try B. And now we can run it, just to see what we got. we have a basic tune. Okay, so we have a basic tune right now that loops. This one's a little more upbeat than what I'm aiming for, so I'm just not going to use it for the game that I'm building. I'll probably grab one of the ones I already have made. But this isn't so bad. I might just save it. And to do that, we're going to use the Save As option. We're going to save it as a .mod. Then we're going to call it number... Oh, we're going to name it. And I got a little bit of a naming scheme going on with my little recordings. Alright, save. And it's up there. Alright. So we click that and done. And because I use the save as, we're going to have that song separate from the template that we can reuse over and over again because I'm not using save. I'm using save as. That's an important thing sometimes. On this one, play music. Play track. Track loop. It doesn't really need the loop because it auto loops. Alright. Now when we run it, it actually notices the list of music notes and yep. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you later.